Hey guys, I'm so excited today. We've just got the final stage of our solar power system on, and I'm just gonna scoot around here, and we have got our Fronius inverter hooked up to our traditional meter box, and up on the roof of my house we've got a massive array of solar panels. I'm so excited about this. This is so cool. So I'm going to actually switch this on for the first time. Now it is late afternoon, so it's probably not going to work as well as what it can, but this is a 5 kilowatt system. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open this little door here, and I'm going to flip that switch up there, and then we're going to come down here under here, and we're going to flick this switch to the right, and you can see an orange light there. Now it's going to boot up. I'm now generating power. Not a lot of power, but I'm a generator. I'm generating power. I can't believe it.